guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my April glam bag. And I know it's late in April, but I've been lazy. I've had this bag for like maybe 2 weeks, but I guess I'm finally going to give you guys I'm finally going to show you guys what I got in my April IPSY's glam bag. So without further ado, let's not waste no time. Let's just get into it. Let's get to the facts. Anyways, guys, this is the April glam bag right here. I don't know if you can see it. This light is kind of bright. I probably need to turn it down a little bit. But this is the bag, guys. And it is pretty. It's like spring-like. It is like vibrant. It's colorful. And I like it. I like this bag. This is like one of the best bags that I've received so far. So, hell yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging this bag. Anyways, let's get into the contents that's inside of this bag, guys. It comes with this card, and it says it's a social butterfly, and it says IPSY's April 2018. And of course, I never read the back of the card. It's there, but I never read it because I feel like it's unnecessary. So I'm not going to read the card. Anyways, guys, let's keep it moving. So the first item in this glam bag that I got is concealer buffer. Basically a concealer brush. And it's fluffy, and it's very good quality. Look at that. Yeah, it's very good quality. I don't know, but the last bag I had received a brush too. It was a two-sided brush, so I don't too much care about receiving any more brushes. I'd rather get other products, but oh well, this is what I got. Moving on to the next product, guys. I got it's something for your lips. It's called Hemp's, and it's pure herbal extracts, and it's for your lips, and it's called, and it says ultra moisturizing herbal lip balm enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. So I guess it's like a lip gloss or a lip balm. Try to let you guys see that. I don't know if I'm going to use that because it looks like it's going to be too greasy, and I'm not with that. So I don't know if I'm going to even use this, but oh well. Let's move on. The next item that I received is in this wrapping. I'm going to take it out the wrapping first. And it's from Bubble, and it's Bath and Body. And it says lemongrass and green tea stimulating hand cream. And it's infused with essential oils. Let me put it close so you guys can see. There we go. So I guess it's another hand cream. I don't know why they keep sending me hand creams. I guess they must think that my hands are ashy. Something's on me is ashy because they keep sending me hand cream. But oh well. Next product. The fourth product that I received, guys, is this, it's from Nail Medic, and it's keratin and calcium infused nail polish. And it says it's supposed to protect against toxins and pollutants and restores healthy, beautiful nails. Let me show you the box. And just for you guys, I went out, and like I said, this was a week or two ago, and I got my nails done, and I said, why not? Let me just show them what I got in my glam bag, and this box came with this polish. So I'm just going to show you the polish, the nail color. And I said, why not? Just put it on my nails. So I'm going to try to show you the nail color. Look at that. It's about time for me to go get my nails done again, but oh well, I'll get that done one of these good old days. But I just want to show you guys the color. I thought that was a fabulous color, by the way. Anyways, guys, let's get to the last product in this glam bag. And it's from Afra, and it's Cosmetic Laboratories. And I think it's blush. Didn't I just say I don't want no more blushes? This is like the third blush that I done received in 4 months. So again, it is blushed. It is blushed, and I just dropped it. Give me a second. Hold on a second. All right, guys. So I dropped the blush on the floor, As you can see, it's cracked. It came in this, but like I said, I just dropped it. And this is what it looks like after I dropped it. I'm not too happy with this bag because, like I said, I received hand cream, I've received nail polish, I've received a brush. All this stuff is like repeats. So I have not received anything new, and so I'm not happy with it. Anyways, guys, those are the items that I received in my April Glam bag. And like I said, I'm not satisfied, and so I think after May, I'm just gonna discontinue my my membership with IPSY, and I'm just gonna try BoxyCharm, because I feel like IPSY's is not giving me the products that I want or need or anything that I'm actually interested in. Anyways, guys, that has been my April's Glam bag, and that is all for tonight, guys. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you press the subscribe button right now. Anyways, guys, also make sure you press the like button and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have any comments, please put them below. And again, like always, guys, thank you for watching.